Hello everyone, welcome back to another lipstick video. So this video was a little difficult to name it. Reason being, this is not an ordinary nude lipstick video or a pink lipstick video or a brown or a peach. This is a lipstick video suggestion which has come from you guys after you happen to watch my recent 3 lipstick videos I did, wherein I talked about my top 10 current favorite nude lipsticks, 5 pink lipsticks and 5 brown lipsticks. So if you haven't checked those videos out, do check them out. So after whoever watched it like thoroughly suggested me that why don't you do a video on lipstick shades which does not fall into a particular shade family, but these are the shades which complement all Indian skin tone, can be worn for any event, can be worn without thinking too much. And there are shades which I also wear which does not fall into a particular shade family, but these are the shades which can be worn with or without makeup. These are morely like universal lip shades made for everyone. And without any further ado, let's discover these 5 beautiful shades which I absolutely love, and you must try at least one shade for yourself. So why not start this video with a shade which is old into my collection and something I'm wearing onto my lips is the shade Foreplay by Colorbar Sinful Matte Lipstick. Now, this is a shade which is not mauve, not pink, not brown. This is something in between. So this has the right amount of warmth to it. It is not extremely dark. It is somewhere in between, which will complement any skin tone. So this shade itself can look very different on various different skin tones. A light to fair skin tone, it may look a little more deeper and will look the exact same shade. On my skin tone, you know how it looks. It's not extremely dark, but it's not extremely light, and it adds that nice warmth onto my skin. And for dark and deepened tan skin tone, this shade is not extremely dark but not cooler. It's not a nude shade. Again, it is a warmer shade for them as well. So this shade I generally wear when I'm going out, wearing a little bit of makeup on me, and then I don't know which lipstick to wear. This is the shade I generally pick up and wear. Out of the other 4 also I'm going to show you. So this is that universal shade wherein I don't have to use my brains. Whichever look I do, this lipstick will just complement the whole look. So this is a beautiful shade by Colorbar Sinful Matte in the shade Foreplay. The formula is creamy, highly pigmented, stays longer and very comfortable, and one of the uniquest formula in the market. So if you haven't tried this one, you must, and this shade is definitely something which will be enjoyed by every single skin tone. Moving on to another interesting shade and an affordable shade, and I do feel this formula is very close to my Colorbar Sinful Matte, though I would say when I wear this I don't feel the difference at all. But talking about the shade in itself is Swiss Beauty in the shade Brandy Harrington, something again I wear the most. So I'm going to give you a hand swatch. This is the shade. So this is not a brown, this is not a pink, this is not a mauve, not a red. It's somewhere in between, which has a mix of all the shades I mentioned, and it is the perfect warm shade. Now this is a shade again very universal, very flattering shade है. एक अच्छा confidence add करता है ये shade, and the formula is super rich and highly pigmented formula है. Now this shade will look different on various different skin tone again. Now I feel this shade will look as it is on light to fair and to medium skin tone, my skin tone, and thereafter this shade can look a little lighter only, but not cooler. Lighter means a little more pigment, you will see a little light tone on a deep or a dark skin tone. And this shade does not wash out. This is like a proper warm shade which has a little berry also into it. Again, this is a lipstick can be worn with or without makeup or a no makeup look, and it just adds that nice warmth onto your skin and your makeup, everything looks together. So this again is a very edgy shade, which you should try. And this is one of the hot selling shade again by Swiss Beauty, and something I absolutely love, and I have picked up this shade and gifted to my friends as well. So if you haven't tried this shade by Swiss Beauty, then you must try. Moving on to another interesting shade, something again I feel you may feel, okay, this is a very usual shade, but no, it's not. Once you wear it onto your lips, you know it, how different it looks compared to any other lipstick you have. Is the Color Chemistry Lip and Cheek Crayon in the shade Nectarine. And this is very different from whatever I've shown you so far. So this is the shade Nectarine. Now from far it may look it's a pink shade. No, it is not a typical pink shade. It has a little terracotta into it, a little red, a little brown, just to balance out that pink, and does not look complete flat out pink onto your skin. So I do feel a little cinnamon is also there. So it's a mix of lot of different shades and very unique and a universal shade comes out. Hands पे बहुत different दिखता है, lips पे ये shade बहुत ही different दिखता है. Again, formula is super rich, matte formula है, बहुत comfortable है, one of the comfortable lip crayons I've worn so far. And the shade in itself, you wear it with a very basic makeup, this shade just pops out, and your face looks a lot brightened up. So this shade really adds that brightness. Like this shade adds a lot of warmth, this shade adds brightness. So if you're wearing a very subtle makeup, even for that matter you're wearing a very nude makeup, this shade just enhances more and adds that brightness to the whole look. Again, इस लिपस्टिक के साथ आपको लुक्स प्री डिसाइड करने की जरूरत नहीं है, आप किसी भी लुक के साथ ये लिपस्टिक पहन लेना, अच्छी ही लगेगी. So again, a universal shade which is made for all Indian skin tone, and ये ऐसी ही दिखती है सारे skin tones पे, and I do feel on the deep and dark skin tone also this shade looks very flattering. So yes, a beautiful shade by Color Chemistry, a beautiful formula, and you must try this formula in itself, and this shade is again something you must have. So after discovering 3 different lip shades, let's move on to the 4th, and this is again my personal favorite, the formula and the lip shade. So I've talked about this formula in another video where I talked about 5 different lipstick formula you must try. Check out that video. Now this made it to this video as well. For the shade in itself is the Nykaa matte lip gloss in the shade Wild One. Now this is a lip gloss formula, but the pigment is high. It is not compared to any other lip gloss formula you have in your vanity, because the longevity on this one is pretty high, it stays longer, and the shine is also being maintained. So this is how the Wild One shade looks. Now you can tell why this shade is so different, because it's not your typical dedicated shade family lip shade. It is a mix of lot. So it has a little pink, it has a little brown, it has a little grey, it has a lot of undertones going on, which makes it more warmer, and it definitely will enhance the whole look you're wearing. So with this lipstick also you can wear any sort of makeup and just put this lipstick, but I would highly recommend you, when you're wearing lipsticks like this, wear less makeup. Don't do your eye makeup that day. Just do your kajal, your mascara, your base, and then just wear this lipstick. It just looks wow onto the lips. So yes, because you want you to be seen, not your makeup and lipstick to be seen. So lipsticks like these just add that extra up notch and notch to you, and makes you look more confident and little outstanding in the crowd. So this is that kind of a shade. So if you haven't tried something like this and the shade, you must, because this is unique and different into my vanity, and I generally wear this when I'm going for my night events. So yes, a beautiful lip shade by Nykaa. And now we are down to the last lip shade, which I've been constantly wearing nowadays from the time I have picked this one, and I do feel everyone should try this formula as well, is the Revlon Colorstay Suede Ink Lipstick in the shade Power. So I never saw the swatch of this lipstick. I saw swatches of other lip shades, but this shade I just bought it because when I saw this shade I knew that this is something which is going to complement me in any part of the day, and I can wear this lip shade with or without makeup. So this is the shade Power Trip. The shade is Power Trip. So this is how Power Trip looks like. Now frankly speaking, on the hand the swatches look little lighter. On the lips the shade looks a little more warmer, and once it settles down it looks the perfect lip shade. Now again, this is not your typical pink shade, it is more of a warmer mauve with a brown undertone into it. So that is why this will complement all Indian skin tone. This shade is not going to wash out anyone, be it be lighter, medium or a deeper skin tone. So this shade also complements every Indian skin tone. Now this formula is super matte, just to mention. Once you apply, it sets to a complete dry down matte lipstick and the shade looks beautiful. So once it dries down to completely matte, the shade goes a little more deeper. See, you see it's already been oxidizing now. So the shade oxidizes to a warmer shade. Again, this shade complements any look you wear. But I would highly recommend you, when you wear such shades, you don't wear too much of eye makeup. You wear eye makeup just like me. I just went in with a matte shadow and then did my kajal, liner and mascara, and there I have my eye look. So a lip shade like this will enhance me. It will not overshadow me. So you should always have a shade like this as well. Now with this shade, what you can do, you can layer any of the other shades I happen to show you, and you can change the shade color altogether. And I like to pair up a lip gloss with this shade. It looks beautiful because the longevity on this lipstick is really high, and putting a gloss also stays for a longer hour and your lips look the best. So yes, if you haven't tried this shade by Revlon, you must, and the formula also is something to be tried at least once. So अगर आपको कोई भी shade समझ ना आए तो get the shade Power, which will complement every single one of you. And there you discovered 5 beautiful universal lip shades made for every single one of you. All of these shades are well done, can be worn with or without makeup, or for that matter any sort of makeup you put. If you're confused about a lipstick, out of these 5 you wear any, it will complement the whole look. All of the lip shades are easily available, so I will be leaving all the links in my description. If you really loved watching this video and the shade recommendations, do give a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel and follow me on my Instagram @bronzinggeek5. I will see you in another interesting video. Till then, you take care and ta-da!